Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make the morning sun bar paracord bracelet. So this is another design from our good friend Cetus550. Pavel did this one up and this one looks really cool. Super simple to do, and the overall end result I think is really nice. You could probably add some stitching to this if you wanted, but we're doing the kind of simple basic version. Yeah, so this is what we're doing today. I hope you guys will like it. So remember, if you're looking for where to get paracord and all the gear I use in the video, feel free to check out those affiliate links down below. And as always, a huge thank you to my Patreon patrons for supporting this channel. If you want access to exclusive videos and get the monthly giveaway, feel free to check out the links to my Patreon page down below, as well as in the video. So with that being said, let's get into the tutorial for this morning sun bar. So to get this paracord bracelet started, we've got our paracord set up on our jig. We're doing a 4-strand core double cow's hitch, and the only caveat is that all the cord is moved to the left side. So it's the exact same method I've shown you before. The link for this setup is down below as always, but just move all the majority of the cord to the left side and just leave a little bit. We're just gonna snip that off later. Okay, so this is how we're going to start off this bracelet. It's woven with a single working strand. To start off the first knot, I've got the end melted a bit, so it's a bit more rigid. I can push it through this space here. And you're just going to see this little gap right there, right above that loop. We're going to go in from the back actually, and we're going to so this little spot right here, let me I'll open it up with the knotter's tool right there, and we're going to work that cord right through like so. Okay, so pull all your cord through the middle, so we have it starting from here. Now from here, the pattern is quite simple. You're going to take your cord, you're going to work it through the middle. I'm just going to be bending my cord through just because it's so long. Save a bit of time that way. So you got it through the middle like that. Then you're going to again take that same working cord and go under and go over both core strands like so. And there you go. That's the first knot. Like so. Keep this aside. And then now to continue that, you're going to take the cord again, go through the middle, pull all that excess through, and then again you're going to go under this main cord here and over the core strands. Okay, and then bring that to one side. This one you don't have to pull too tight on the knots. Okay. And then now from here, again, we're kind of back where we started. Cord in the middle. You're going to bring this underneath here. Bring all that cord through. And then, since I've got all my cord bunched up, you could just pass it all like this. Okay, so I did the exact same thing. Pass it under through the middle. Cinch that up. Again, you don't need to pull too tight on this one because it'll actually shrink the bracelet. And then back here, again, same thing. All right. So as you can see, the pattern is very simple actually on this one, which is why this one's fun to do. And you're just going to continue tying your bracelet like so. Get this guy through here. So you can do kind of more than one kind of move at once to save yourself a bit of time. Okay. So I'm just going to continue tying my pattern all the way down my bracelet. And when we get to the end, we will figure out how to finish this guy off. All right, so just keep going. So we are coming down to the end here, and how we're going to finish it is I'm going to do this one last knot here. Make sure there's no twists. Pull that through. Oh, and as I was weaving, I noticed it is okay to pull a bit tighter on this weave. It's just that if it gets bent, just go back up and kind of press it flat again if that happens. All right, so we're out on this side, and to finish it, I've got a little gap there, so I want to fill that in. Push that through, and this will actually be our last knot here. Okay, so we'll pull that shut. Like so. And rather than melt it out here, I'm going to push it down to the back. So there's a little space in between there, between the two cow's hitches. Pretty sure I can get that guy in there. Yeah. Okay, so that comes out the back, so it's nice and hidden. Let's get this off of the jig. So yeah, we can just melt that there, and we'll be done. All right, and there we have it. We are finished. So got all that excess paracord snipped and singed. There it is on the wrist. And I really like the way this one turned out. Simple, but again, just very beautiful. That nice repeating pattern and that ridge down the middle. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, if you're not subscribed already, you like this content, feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you know of when I release videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.